Hello, for today's video I'm going to show you how to crochet a kiwi in 3 colors, and I'm using a 100% acrylic yarn and a 3.5mm crochet hook. Once you have all the material, start by doing a magic ring, chain 1, 2, then add 11 double crochet inside the ring. Once done, pull tight, then cut the yarn. Take your darning needle and insert in the first double crochet. Then insert in the back loop stitch of the last stitch. Now take your yellow yarn and insert in any stitch and make a chain of 2. Hold this tail and add a double crochet in the same stitch. Two double crochet in the next stitch, and repeat a 2 double crochet in each of the stitch around. Pull up a loop, insert your crochet hook in the first double crochet. Turn, for round 3, single crochet in this first stitch and chain 1. 2 double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, and 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat a double crochet in the next stitch and 2 double crochet in the next. Repeat around for 36 stitches. Then again, pull up a loop, insert at the back of the first double crochet, round 4, single crochet in this first stitch and chain 1, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next 2 stitches, then 2 double crochet in the next. Repeat a double crochet in the next 2 stitches, then 2 double crochet in the next. Repeat until we will meet again until to the last stitch. In the last stitch, make 1 double crochet. So now you will have 48 stitches around, including the single crochet and chain of 1. Now for the last round, take your brown yarn for round 5, insert the brown yarn and chain 1. Single crochet in the next stitch, then increase or 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet in the next 3 stitches, then increase in the next or 2 single crochet. Okay, repeat a single crochet in the next 3 stitches, then increase. Okay, repeat until we meet again on the last stitch. Last stitch, do a 1 single crochet.